guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little subscription box unboxing as well as talking about how I make money in one of my side hustles. So if you are interested in that, keep watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know I kind of have my hands dipped into a lot of things. I make YouTube videos, obviously. I have my other social media platforms. I'm a brand consultant. I have a bracelet line called With Love Sarah, which are these cute little wrap bracelets. I will link that down below along with the discount that I always give you guys. And then because of the nature of those sides of my business, I also sell a lot of my clothes on Poshmark. I know you guys have asked me before because I share so many new releases. I share outfits on Instagram. I'm just always sharing new products. Like, what do I do with everything when I'm done wearing it? So a lot of it I will give away to family and friends. I'll donate it or I will sell it on Poshmark. I will link my Poshmark down below. I actually have a lot of new stuff that I want to post. So hopefully that will be posted by the time you guys see this video. But today, that's what I want to talk about. There's a new company called FashionMaids. They reached out to me to collaborate with me on a video. That is what we're doing today. So thank you so much to FashionMaids for sponsoring and collaborating with me on today's video. They are a service they are a subscription where you can get either one-time or monthly boxes of 10 to 25 items. All of them are new with tags. They are focused on selling clothing that you can then resell. So in every box they have boutique and name brands, and you can choose, you know, the patterns that you want, the sizes, what types of clothing, etc., etc. I didn't really put parameters on it because I wanted to see what they would send over. So a lot of the clothing is not stuff that I would personally wear, but there's things that I can sell, and so I will be listing the items that I received. A lot of them are also not my size, so there's that, but you can specify what size. You can specify if you want all neutrals, bright colors, dark colors, what patterns you do or don't want, all of that. So they do give you control over what you want, but then you are surprised with what products you get, and you can then resell them. I personally don't make a ton of money on Poshmark by any sense of the imagination, but I know there are tons of people that make a full-time living on it. I mean, they made that whole Netflix series, Girl Boss, about the girl who did the whole thing on eBay by buying vintage clothing, changing it up a little bit, and then selling it. So you can definitely make a lot of money. I know tons of people who have a side hustle or even a full-time gig on either eBay, Mercari, Poshmark. There's like Bebop, or I don't know. There's another one that I've heard some YouTubers talk about that I personally haven't used. So Poshmark is the one that I personally use. I'm going to link FashionMaids down below in the bottom bar for you guys. They are giving you a 20% off discount code. It is SarahB20, which I will also list that below in case you're interested in it. But I did want to share with you guys the products that I got in the box, just to kind of give you an idea of what you would get, and then we can add it all up and see how much the retail value of it is. Everything is new with tags. I don't know if I already said that, but I want to kind of do the calculation to see how much it is. So the box that I got retails for $75, so we'll see if it's worth it. The first item is this t-shirt from Free People. It is this gray v-neck short sleeve tee, and this is in a medium. It retails for $58. Also, if you see something that you like that is in your size, it will be on my Poshmark. This is from a brand called Majestic Filatures, which I've never heard of this brand, but it's this shiny material in the front, and then the back is more of like a knit mat. It has a split hemline, which I think is really cute. And I just think this would be really cute under a little jacket. You could wear it for date night with white jeans in the summertime. I think it's adorable. This was from Nordstrom Rack, and it says compare at $215, but they were selling it for $79. So there's that one. Oh, and this is in a size 3. Next is this dress. This is from the brand Bardot, and it has buttons all the way down, and then it gets pleated all the way down. So this was also from Nordstrom Rack, and this is in the size 6/small, and it says compare at $120. This, what they were selling it for $90. So that is this one. This is a button down from Topshop. It's a really pretty teal color with white polka dots. This is something that I personally probably wouldn't wear, but again, I just let them send me whatever. So it's just a classic button down. This is in the size US 6. And it retails for $68. Next is this pair of jeans. So it's a straight leg with a raw hem. These are from Indigo Rain. They are the high-rise ankle jean in the size 7. And they retail for $49.99. Then I have this plaid dress from Project 28. And this reminds me of Clueless. I feel like this plaid with the gray and the yellow is totally giving me 90s Clueless vibes. It has a cute little tie here with a keyhole. This is in a size large. It retails for $49. And it has adjustable straps. I think this is really cute. If you are into the 90s trend that is going around, I think that one could be really adorable. Next is a two-piece set. It comes with this skirt. It's a midi length. And it's in this rust color. It buttons all the way down and it has a little tie, and then the top of it is this little tube top, and then that just ties in the back. This is in a size large. The tag is on it, but the price is peeled off of it. It's a little Free People set, but as you can see, you can't see the price right here. So I'm going to try to see if I can look up a two-piece set or even look up the style number and get a price for it. Okay, I did a quick search. I can't find anything, but the a lot of the two-piece sets retail for $128, so I think that's probably a good guess. Next is this maxi dress with this yellow flower print. It is a long sleeve with the like blouse cuff, and it is very, very flowy. So this retails for, I think I said it's from Calvin Klein Jeans, retails for $168. And again, this is not something that I personally would wear. These are not my colors and this isn't my style. So if you do sign up, I really suggest being specific if you are planning on keeping the clothing so that you can get things that you would actually wear and be more specific about the sizing. Next, I have this black tank from Socialite. I actually love the brand Socialite. It has a little knot in the middle of it, and then it kind of opens up. It's so hard to show black clothing on camera. It does have adjustable straps. This is in a size large and it retails for $24, and it has kind of this ribbed material. I think this is super cute. I would totally wear this. Let's see if I can, there you go. So anyway, $24. And then lastly is this tank from the brand Waif. And this is in a really pretty neutral floral print with the lace, and it is kind of opened up, the lace up front. And I like that the sleeves are those straps that are kind of in more narrow. So this is in a size medium and it retails for $55. I just added it up and altogether the 10 pieces retail for $769. So of course that is super expensive and you get all of it for $75. So it depends on obviously the items that you are going to keep. If you're not going to sell them, then you're not going to make money off of them, obviously, but you can definitely make more than $75 off of all of those clothes. So yeah, if you're interested in FashionMaids, again, I will link it down below, and I will also link my Poshmark, all of these products, as well as tons of new stuff. I've got new key sunglasses, new tags. I have a couple of handbags, some sandals. I have a pair of wedges that were my absolute favorites last season, so I'm going to be posting those. I have just tons and tons of stuff. So definitely check out my Poshmark, and yeah, let me know if you guys do any side hustles. Let me know what your side hustles are, or if you sell on Poshmark, leave your Poshmark down below. I want to check it out. Maybe I'll shop your closet. So yeah, that is everything for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.